my teammate Jesse Castro, to the top point guards in the PBA today. Parang hindi mo naman sinapay yung pangalan mo dun sa top point guard sa PBA ngayon. May tawag dyan, ability. This ball, laban kay LA Tenorio sa pagsisimula ng second half. Ball here posting up LA. This ball, pumihit, nakasalibre. That's the one thing about this ball's game that is often overlooked. Nakatawan niya.
Basta pinapin.
Pag pinarod mo siya in a game, akakalain mo parang ulit lang. And it is Kobe Bryant.
Natambak na talaga si
Castro. They took this guy from Abante the Smart All-Star. Played well in the first half. It's interesting to see if Coach Scott will employ some traffic defense for this kind of the MVP. Very low. And look out. Safe to say that the Smart All-Stars have already gotten their legs underneath them after the first quarter. Ako may tanong ako. Guys. Ano bet lang ito? Baka ito na siya. Kasi Kevin ko lang nakarating lang na kanina nga po. Bet well. Gabe Norwood umatake. Kobe Bryant all alone. Para kay JaVale McGee. McGee. Eric Tenorio tried to go for a preemptive foul. Pero di naramdaman ni McGee. But just lang ginabot ni Emily. 79-56 naman ang Smart All-Stars. Here's Tenorio zigzagging inside. And over to Jason Castro laban kay Rose. Castro goes in. Pinabot ni JaVale McGee. And that's just unfair. Talk about last minute replacement. Si JaVale McGee go almost but not quite. Para kay LA. And here's Pingris. Getting away with his privacy.
Okay.
Norwood against Durant. Kevin Durant between the legs, pulling up. Norwood was all alone. Yes, all alone. Norwood. Kobe Bryant wants the ball. Laban kay Pingris. Pingris, one of the best defenders in the PBA. Good defense by Pingris. And there's no defense sa mga kapigil to. Here's Tenorio. To Norwood. Gabe Norwood fires. It's good. Kahit ang pag tumingin dito sa Smart All-Stars, lahat gagawa ng putos eh. It got back. This ball to three. Yes, sir! Okay, interesting yung story ng pangalan niya. Ba't yung tawag sa CP3? Yung buong pamilya niya pala, ganun ang mga tawagan. Sabi niya CPP, yung kapatid niya, they all work with, dahil pinapig niya yung number niya sa kanyang team. Here's Durant. This ball from the corner. Ay, 5 minuto para titira dito sa third quarter. Here's Durant. Back down to 8. Ball to Bryant. Here's Castro to Tenorio and Arvin Castro fire. Oh, we've been way out. Just really open court basketball, mga kapatid, ha? Castro.